Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna set our installment sale for a primary home using an example. So I'm just gonna give you some number that we're gonna use this to enter into TurboTax. So some of the key number are we got a property. This is our main home. So our adjusted basic is $60,000. And then the sale price, because we hold it for a long time, so we make so much money on it. So the sale price is $800,000. And consider, let's just use an example that this is a married filing jointly done. So the exclusion for the sale of main home is $500,000 as of the current threshold for this year. The way that we calculate the gross profit, we're taking the sale price of $800,000 minus our adjusted basis of $60K, and then also we minus the exclusion for the sale of main home, the $500K. So our gross profit is $240,000. Next up, we need to calculate the gross profit percentage. So we take the gross profit of $240,000 divided by the sale price of $800,000, we get 30%. Next up, we want to calculate the payment that we received this year, say 2023, for the installment sale, excluding interest. This is, think about it, maybe just a down payment, right? So it's $100,000 that the buyer pay us for the house. So $100K. The installment sale income, so the income that allocated to the installment sale for this year. So we take that down payment that we received, the $100K, we times the 30%, which is our gross profit percentage, that give us the $30,000. So this $30,000 is what we recognize as capital gains for this year. So this is going to be reported on Schedule D. Next up, the buyer pay us the interest this year. The interest this year is $7,000. So this $7,000 we're going to report on Schedule B. And just say that the date that we acquired the property is 1/1/14, and the date that we sold the property is 6/30/23. So we're gonna start the installment sales in TurboTax as the main home. So we're gonna start the installment sale of the main home in TurboTax. So we need to start from the sale of main home section. So let's get to it. Let's go.